Hello, gardening enthusiasts. Welcome to Time for Gardening, where we help you bring lush greenery into even the tiniest of spaces. In today's video, we're exploring the exciting world of small space gardening. From balcony gardens to creative container setups, we'll share tiny garden ideas that pack a big punch. If you're passionate about urban gardening or want to learn new tips for small space gardening, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let's dive in. Urban living often limits space, but it doesn't have to limit your love for plants. Small space gardening is more than a trend. It's a sustainable way to reconnect with nature, even in the heart of the city. From balcony gardens to tiny garden ideas, this approach lets you grow big in small spaces while contributing to a greener urban environment. Think upwards, not outwards. Vertical gardening is a game changer for small spaces. Use wall planters, hanging baskets, or tiered plant stands to maximize your space. This method is perfect for small space gardening enthusiasts who want to grow herbs, succulents, or even strawberries. Vertical setups make your balcony garden functional and visually appealing. Container gardening is the heart of small space gardening. Choose containers that match your aesthetic while providing proper drainage and space for roots to grow. Lightweight materials are ideal for balcony gardens, and selecting the right pots can elevate your urban gardening experience. Mix and match containers to add personality to your space. Not all plants are created equal when it comes to small spaces. Opt for compact varieties like cherry tomatoes, dwarf citrus trees, and herbs like basil or parsley. These plants are perfect for container gardening and yield high results without taking up too much room. Start with plants suited to urban gardening conditions for the best results. Balconies are a goldmine for urban gardening. Add rail planters to make use of unused space, and layer your plants with taller ones at the back and shorter ones in front. A well-planned balcony garden with the right balance of sunlight and shade can transform even the smallest space into a lush retreat. Get creative with your tiny garden. Repurpose old items like mason jars, tin cans, or wooden crates as planters. Add mirrors to your urban gardening space to make it look larger, and use decorative elements like fairy lights to create a cozy atmosphere. Tiny garden ideas like these add charm and character to your space. For tech-savvy gardeners, hydroponics is an innovative way to grow plants in tiny spaces. These soil-free systems save water and space, making them ideal for small space gardening. Hydroponics allows you to grow leafy greens, herbs, and small fruits efficiently, a modern solution for urban gardening challenges. Small gardens need love too. Regularly prune plants to keep them healthy and prevent overcrowding. Stick to a consistent watering schedule and use quality fertilizers to support plant growth. Maintenance is key to thriving small space gardening, whether it's a balcony garden, container setup, or another urban gardening approach. And there you have it, the art of small space gardening. Whether it's a balcony garden, container setup, or an innovative urban gardening idea, there's no limit to what you can achieve in tiny spaces. Let us know in the comments which tiny garden ideas you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Time for Gardening, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest urban gardening tips. Happy gardening!